The stakes are big. Right? Oh, ang dudumi ng isip nyo, may makasama akong wholesome. Anyways, ito na lang pa, kwentuhan tayo. Alam ko, this is just a short trip just to be with your beloved fans. But, saan mo pinasyal si Liza? Nagkaroon ba kayo ng time para mamasyal?
Well, we just went to Sugarland Mall, right across the hotel. And yeah.
We got to spend lunch and dinner with some loving fans
with fans.
yesterday.
Aw, that's
Yeah.
nice. That's nice. Napakaswerte. Ito na lang tanong ko na last. Because you've been together for how long na?
4 years.
4 years as co-workers, as O bakit wala akong sinabi?
4 years ba? Ay,
Kaya
hindi!
talaga.
Well, 2
Sorry.
years.
2 years.
2 years as...
We knew each other 4 years ago, but 2 years kami talaga
Hindi,
nagsama.
okay na yun. Maganda na yung 4 years. Gusto nila ang Gusto ko sila ang 4 years. Okay na tayo doon. So, what are the traits that you really like sa isa't isa? Like, let's start muna with Ken. Ano ba yung nagustuhan mo talaga kay Liza? Hindi naman kami nagkakalayo. Ano ba? I hate you.
She's sweet, she's a sweet girl.
Akin na nga yung asukal ko.
Sweet. Sweet buang.
Sweet.
Sweet.
Buang. May mga Bisaya ba dito? Oh, nakitawag ko buang. She's very sweet. You know
Very
what?
sweet.
I've worked in with Liza. I have to agree, she's really, really sweet.
Yeah, super sweet.
What else?
And wow. Yeah, that's. I tell her that, but she
Oh,
says,
ikaw na lang si Enrique. Ikaw na lang.
no, sinasabi ko lagi sa kanya na pero sabi niya hindi daw. So, sige.
No, everybody. You don't agree to what Enrique said?
No, baka gusto lang niya ulitin ko, kaya yun ang
Sige.
sinasabi niya.
Ulitin mo nga, Enrique.
You're beautiful. So,
Pero bakit sa kanya ka nakatingin? You're beautiful.
Liza, don't be jealous. It's all work.
respect me.
And Liza, walang mali siya. Pareho kaming lalaki, okay? Okay, so what about you, Liza? What are the traits